This video explains how to set the cursors in a display window. This is the same in every display window of S-Bench 6, so in this example we are using the main analog display window. Hold the left mouse button and move the mouse to put cursor A in the desired position, which is indicated by two red lines. If you hold the right mouse button, you can do the same for cursor B, indicated by two blue lines. With the help of the cursors, you can determine exact positions within a display or define an area for further functions. For example, the cursors can be used for calculations or data export. In the Info dialog, you can see the current position of the red and blue cursors. In this example, the value for the y-axis is displayed in volts and the value for the x-axis is displayed in seconds. The difference between the two cursors is shown in the third line, and the calculation of the frequency is displayed in the following line. Now we want to lock cursor A onto the signal. Click with the right mouse button on the channel name in the upper area of the display to open the context menu. Choose Lock Cursor A. If you now move cursor A by holding the left mouse button while moving the mouse, you can see how the cursor follows the waveform. Furthermore, the current sample number is displayed in the upper area of the vertical red line. You can set an alignment of cursor B to the movement of cursor A. To do this, click into the main display with the right mouse button to open the context menu. For the next step, select Cursor Track to activate the cursor tracking. When you now move cursor A, cursor B also moves in a fixed distance. You can disable the cursor tracking in the same way. Open the context menu and select Cursor Track again to deactivate this function. To hide the cursors in the display, click onto the Hide Cursors button in the display toolbar. To make the cursors visible again, click the button once more, or press a mouse button while moving the mouse in the display.